Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday, which means it's time for another eye makeup look. In today's video, I'll show you how you can combine gold with other eyeshadows to create a beautiful ombre cut crease. And we'll also use some delicate glitter at the crease and we'll create this look. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For today's look, I'm going to be using the new Aurora palette from Alter Ego. This looks like a dupe for Natasha Denona's Sunrise palette. I have primed my lids with the ColourPop concealer and I've set it with translucent powder just above my crease. I'm also using some sticky tape in the corners of my eyes to get those dramatic straight edges. I'm first dipping into shine with my ColourPop blending brush, and this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to use this to warm up my crease and set the tone for the other eyeshadows that are coming up. I'm going to mostly focus this in the outer crease, and whatever residue is left on the brush, I'm going to drag it towards the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm taking Nova with a flat, dense brush from Milani, and I'm going to use this to carve out my crease. And I'm going to slowly add more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity. To diffuse and soften this, I'm dipping into Soul with a blending brush from Folklore. And I'm going to go right over Nova, and I'm going to keep blending it till it softens and melts into my transition shade. To deepen the crease further, I'm taking Twilight with a small pencil brush from ColourPop. I'm going to focus this right at the crease. And to soften this, I'm again dipping into Soul with a blending brush, and I'm going to go right over Twilight so it blends into the other eyeshadows. And you can see that gives that beautiful ombre effect, the deepest shade being at the crease, and as it moves outwards, it melts into my skin tone. Now it's time to cut the crease. Now I usually clean up my lids with a cleanser before I cut my crease, but today there's no fallout. So I'm going to take some ColourPop concealer. With the ColourPop concealer brush, I'm going to cut my crease and paint my lid with the same concealer. And while this concealer is still tacky, I'm going to go ahead and set it with the eyeshadows that I would be using on my lids. For the inner half of my lid, I'm going to dip into Luminary with a flat shader brush. I'm going to lightly dab it in the inner half of my lid. And for the outer half, I'm dipping into this beautiful lavender shimmer called Dawn. When I do cut creases, I don't like to set the concealer on my lids with translucent powder before I use the shimmer shades especially, because the shimmer is not going to stick on to your lid. Instead, if you use it when the concealer is still tacky, it's going to cling on to your lid, and the pigment payoff is also going to be high. To balance the outer corner with the crease, I'm going to dip into Twilight once again to deepen the outer corner, and I'm using a flat shader brush from Doe Color. To add that extra wow factor, I'm going to be using some delicate glitter liner at the crease, and the one that I'll be using is from Folklore. This is the Beam Metallic Eyeliner in Platinum. Next, I'm going to quickly take off the sticky tape and I'm going to clean up underneath with a concealer. In the lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out sole with a small blending brush. Just above that, I'm going to be using Nova with a flat, dense brush. And then with a flat definer brush, I'm going to dip into Twilight and I'm going to stamp it just beneath my waterline. To tightline my waterline, I'm using a black kohl liner from Deck of Scarlet. And you can use a gel liner, you can use an eye pencil, you can also use kajal to tightline. And for eyeliner, I'm using the liquid liner from e.l.f. in black. And I'm going to use the straight outer edge as a guide to draw out a wing. Using Brilliance, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. And then I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes, applying a coat of mascara. I'm using the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. And for false lashes, I'm going to be using my favorite Brazen from Black Label. And here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're enjoying my new Sunday videos. I try to feature any new products that are out there and try to create a unique eye look with it. And I really hope you're enjoying it. If you are, please don't forget to thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find my social media links there. So make sure you're following me there so we can chat a little bit more. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.